in those scholars in the recent few decades but are not living, I would really appreciate and I look forward is the Sheikh Ibn Sheikh Nasruddin Albani, Sheikh bin Baz, and unfortunately these three great scholars of our time, when we started doing dawah earlier, they expired within a span of few years, in the late 90s or the early 2000s. And after that, at that time, that I believe one of the best scholars living that time was Abdullah ibn Jibreel, Sheikh Abdullah ibn Jibreel. Again, he's from Riyadh, and I met him several times, and whenever I had any problems I had to go to him and look forward to his reply. At that time he was one of the best living scholars, and Allah also lifted him, mashallah, and may Allah grant Jannah to all these scholars who I have mentioned. May Allah's mercy be on all of them, rahimahullah.